Hey, what's up, Terra Luna holder? So, what's good on Terra Luna holder? The crypto market is totally and losting this time. So, Terra Luna is absolutely and losting. You can see here, Terra Luna is going very hardly, very badly, goes down, and everyone and lost. So a lot of Terra Luna holder tell me to what we do and this critical situation. Absolutely, all holders are very big. This is very big problem for our holder. So our holders tell me to what we do, and this time please make a special video. So this is special video for our Terra Luna holder. Today we completely decide to this is a selling time or buying time or holding time, and what we do because everyone, no one want to he hasn't lost. Okay, everyone, they make you a millionaire. This is one I tell you to, Terra Luna is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, remember this please. But this time, why they gone down, why Terra Luna result has gone very badly, very bad changes, and Terra Luna, I explain everything. So let's get started this brand video. But before I get started, my friend, this video, I request you to please subscribe for latest videos and updates. I updating you every crypto news, best and great updates. Okay, just subscribe my YouTube channel. Hope you do it. Okay, thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel. Please keep touch. Okay, so guys, first I show you three charts in this video, and then we decide to this is selling time or holding time. Okay, so the three charts is going very important. Be focused on if you are a new member, new holder. Okay, so you can see here this is the last 1 hour chart, and this time you can see here the chant occur and positive. So this is very good, and this is just last 1 hour they take a positive chant. So why in the last 1 hour they gone starting and positive? You can see here the graph is totally gone up like a rocket. I think this is absolutely not a high chant, but this is good for Terra Luna. Today take a positive, they take a chance and positive. So you can see here the price. Remember this price, this is last 1 hour price here. Remember this price because this is very important for the decision. Okay, so remember this time 15.3 US dollar as the Terra Luna price. So guys, let's check out the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. The last 24-hour result as a negative, you can see here every holder also tell me to why the result as a negative. So I explain you to why result and a negative. The reason as that today they are a negative to I tell you that this time the latest crypto market totally lost, very lost, big loss, 10 billion US dollar loss this time crypto market, guys, in the previous 2 days. Why they are lost? This is one reason to this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency is lost. So you can see here the price occur this time as increase, but this is does not mean to the increase because they are decreased. Absolutely, they are decreased. 15.8 US dollar as the price of last 24 hour, but you can check out the last 1 hour of price as an 15.2, I think something. So let's see the last 7 day result to what's going on in the last 7 days result, also very important, and this is the last chart. Please focus this. Okay, so guys, if you can see here this time the chart as absolutely goes just straightly down. Why they are go straightly down, I already tell you in the last 7 days. This is the start of month, this is the first week of this month, therefore all cryptocurrencies goes down, but no cryptocurrencies go down like this, they very fastly goes down. So I think if I sell in this time, if I sell in this time, then I am totally lost. So this is, I think, not a good time for selling. So what we do if this is not a selling time, you can see here the chant as well negative and minus 16.96% they're gone down. So what we do at this same time, what we do, the prices also goes down, the prices also decrease. We are and totally and the lost. I am also Terra Luna holder, please. So I think I tell you, I said you to please hold it and wait for the end of this month. You are absolutely and the loss this time, but what it's possible to take a starting growing like a rocket. They take a jump like a rocket, and upcoming days they grow. They start growing very fastly, so it is possible, nothing is impossible. This does not mean to they're totally going down. Every day by day they're going very decreasing, they are going down. So I hope in upcoming days, my expectation from Terra Luna is very good. I hope in upcoming days they go like a rocket and they give us very good result. What you say, what's your opinion to this selling or holding or buying time? My opinion is that to please, if you have any plan to buy, then please, this is not a good time to buy. But if you are already buy it, then please hold it and wait for the end of this month. If they give you a good reason, then please don't sell it. And but if they can and the loss, then please sell it at the same time, okay, because they are going very fastly go down. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you learned something new and this video is informative for you. Please like if this video is informative for you. Please hold it. I tag you again. Please hold it, okay, don't sell it and wait for the end of this month. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and good updates. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.